For the first time in history, all three European finals will feature an English club. That success could also mean that 9 teams, that's almost half of the Premier League, could be playing in Europe next season. Here's how. Aston Villa have to win the Europa League and finish 5th or 6th. If that happens, 5 teams qualify for the Champions League through league position and Villa qualify through the Europa League. That makes 6. However, there is a UEFA rule that would mean England has to sacrifice one of its Europa League spots if they have 6 teams in the Champions League. Still with me? Now, if Chelsea win the FA Cup and finish outside the Europa League spots, they would take that last Europa League spot. If Manchester City win the FA Cup, then that Europa League spot would fall to the team in 7th. 8th place would then secure a spot in next season's Conference League. If Crystal Palace win the Conference League, they would also secure a Europa League spot while finishing outside the top half. That would make it 9 English teams in Europe next season. Now picture this, there is also a quirk in UEFA's rules which could make Brentford or Brighton want to lose on the final day of the season to qualify for the Champions League. This does not apply to Bournemouth as they're playing a team below them in the table. But Brentford are playing Liverpool and Brighton are playing Manchester United. So if they begin the final day in 6th and the teams below them are losing, it might be crucial for Brentford or Brighton to lose to keep Villa in 5th. Because remember, Villa have to finish 5th and win the Europa League for 6th to qualify for the Champions League.